Hello and welcome to the Flow EFT Routine video. In this video, we are going to be going through an EFT routine that you can use for when things are really flowing in your life, when your energy is kind of going out, when you're expelling a lot of energy on, external situations. Maybe there's a lot of movement going on, you're accomplishing a lot of goals in your life. Or maybe it's just a busy time for you, a time of high energy, and you're wanting to keep up with that. So that's what we're going to do in this video. It is the complementary video to the ebb. So if you find that you are in the opposite situation, check that video out. Before we get started, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. My name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru, and I am going to be guiding you through this EFT routine. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you haven't yet watched the first video, the intro to EFT video, I would highly suggest that you start there. In that video, I go over what is EFT, why do we do it, and how do we do it, the basic tapping sequence. You can jump in right here, that's perfectly okay. That's what we're going to be doing now. So go ahead and come to your karate chop point. And we're going to start here. And let's say, even though there seems to be a lot going on in my life right now, repeat after me. I completely love and accept myself. Even though there is a lot of movement in my life going on right now, I completely love and accept myself. Even though there is so much going on in my life right now, I completely love and accept myself. Let's begin. Right now in my life, things are getting out of control. Sometimes it feels like it's just right on that edge. I have so much to do all day long. I have many responsibilities. There are people who are depending on me. And I'm depending on me. I have a lot of goals that I want to accomplish. And every day, there's always something more for me to do, or for me to manage. There's always another decision that needs to be made. And sometimes I wish I could just get a break. I'm glad that I'm in the flow, that things are flowing for me in life right now. But I wish it was just a little bit more manageable. You know what? I think that's it. I'm going to lean in the direction of manageable and flow and ease. Things flow for me with ease and harmony. And the thing is, this entire time, I'm not drowning. So I have been able to keep up. I want to acknowledge that to myself. How well I am doing. But I am deciding to lean now in the direction of flowing with ease and harmony. I open myself up to flowing with increased ease and flowing with increased harmony. I open myself up to flowing with increased ease and increased harmony. I open myself up to flowing with increased ease and increased harmony. And I'm going to lean in that direction. Go ahead and bring your hands to your knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale on the side, releasing any tightness, tension. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on with the second portion. We're going to come back to the karate chop point, and we're going to use that phrase that we just ended on. Let's start with, I am open to flowing with ease and harmony. I open myself to flowing with ease and harmony. I am open to flowing with ease and harmony. I'm open to a shift. I'm open to doing things differently and seeing things in a new way. I think that that's what this entire experience is teaching me. Because the truth is, I'm leveling up. I am learning. I am growing. There's major transformation taking place in my life right now for the benefit of myself and all who I encounter. And that's a lot. But for me, it happens with ease. It flows with ease because I trust in myself. I trust in my life lessons, in my skills and my abilities. You know, I make the best decisions for myself. I'm very cognizant of the details. And I always have my goal, my end goal in mind. And I choose to make decisions that are in alignment with my success. I choose to make decisions that are harmoniously in alignment with the success of my goals. I trust in myself and my decisions. I am flexible. I'm flexible and I move with ease and grace. I know when I need to dial my energy up, and I know when I need to pull it back. This allows me to be in the flow. I am open to flowing with my life, with ease, grace, and harmony. I am open to flowing with my life, with ease, with grace, and with harmony. I am full of energy and supreme vitality. Every day I wake up with this energy of preparation, with focus, with groundedness, with clarity, with motivation and passion. And those allow me to flow with my life with ease, grace, and harmony. Let's come back to our karate chop point. We're going to say, and so it is, so it is, so it is. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Exhale on a sigh, releasing any tightness, tension, stress from the body. Okay, so that's the end of this video, the end of this routine. Hopefully you have enjoyed it and you found it beneficial in order to get that energy moving, in order to shift your mindset, and to influence your behavior in a positive way now that so much is going on for you and you're really ready to put your best foot forward. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the other videos in this series. And once again, if you haven't yet at least watched the intro video, go ahead and do that. And if you've done all that and you have enjoyed everything thus far and you want to dive deeper into EFT, make sure to check out my EFT Masterclass series where I dive in a lot more detail. I give you formulas on how to construct your own phrases and really how to guide the narrative and shift your mindset. It's a really beautiful class. So I will go ahead and include the link in the description box below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave me a comment, and I will see you for the next video.